What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and we're gonna do another unboxing. Today we're gonna do 8 Donruss Dollar Tree packs and then a hanger of NBA Hoops Premium. I have like 2 of these left. Open one. I was able to find these yesterday. Check your Dollar Tree stores. Gonna hunt for some Zions and some yellow LaMelos. This comes with, I believe, 1 yellow per pack, and then this comes with the 4 purple discos. Gonna start with this Donruss packs. All right. Here we got Kemba Walker, Jared Culver, Wesley Matthews, yellow rated rookie Jordan Nwora, and a Xavier Tillman. So I want to keep the rookies there. Ooh. Got a Desmond Bain in the back. Here we have a Domantas Sabonis, Marquise Chris, Danilo Gallinari. I think it's upside down. James Harden yellow, not bad. Just not a James Harden fan. James Harden, Bryn Forbes, Jaylen Brown, Robert Covington, Nico Mannion. So far, we only got 1 yellow rated rookie. Otto Porter Jr., Robert Covington, Jeff Green, Evan Fournier yellow, CJ Allaby rated rookie. Get some LaMelo yellows. That'll be sick. Here we got a Davis Bertans, Bobby Portis, Tyler Hero, 2nd year, Otto Porter Jr. yellow, Grant Riller, Thompson LaMelo, John Wall, Nikola Jokic, Matthew Dellavedova, Andre Drummond yellow, and Onyeka Okongwu. Second to the last pack of the Donruss Dollar Tree. Here we got a Goran Dragic, Kawhi Leonard, Giannis Antetokounmpo, John Wall yellow, Elijah Huge. Last pack. Donruss, a fun rip. Darius Garland, Bam Adebayo, Landry Shamet, Raider rookie Josh Green, and a Saban Lee. So we got 2 Yellow Raider rookies out of those. Put this on the side. Some yellow. Guys, sorry. I think my phone ran out of storage. I haven't started yet. Okay, I ripped it. Here we have a Kevin Durant, Kemba Walker, Jalen Brunson, Dion Waiters, Brooke Lopez, Enes Kanter, DeAndre Jordan, Danny Green, Marcus Morris Senior. Here we have a Grant Williams rookie, Jalen LeCue rookie. Oh, a Tyler Hero. Nice. Jaden McDaniels. Silver, Kristaps Porzingis. Green, Marcus Morris Senior. Purple Disco of Otto Porter Jr. Ivica Zubac. Courtney Lee. And Trey Young. Kevin Love, lights, camera, action. So, nothing too crazy. Rookies or any color. I'll say hits would be Trey, Hero. Yeah. So, see you guys in the next one. I might unbox 2 5 packs of Chronicles and 2 5 packs of Illusions for the next video. So both of the last year rookie class. So let's continue the Zion hunt and the jaw. Alright, catch you in the next one. Peace.